The 10 best ways to protect your eyesight. Start now. The eyes are among your most crucial organs. In addition to allowing you to perceive forms, dimensions, and millions of colors, your eyes also regulate the light signals that keep your body's internal clock functioning correctly. Your eyes are among the most sensitive areas of your body, requiring protection to preserve and improve your eyesight. You may do various things to maintain your eyes healthily and ensure optimal vision. Follow these basic guidelines to keep your eyes healthy well into old age. 1. Wear sunglasses. The proper sunglasses will shield your eyes from the sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays. Too much UV exposure increases the likelihood of developing cataracts and macular degeneration. Choose a pair that blocks between 99 and 100% of UVA and UVB radiation. Wraparound lenses provide side protection for the eyes. When polarized lenses minimize glare while driving, they do not necessarily offer additional protection. Some contact lenses give UV protection if you wear them. It is nevertheless advisable to wear sunglasses as an extra layer. Add sunglasses to your list of necessities before you leave the house. Wear a wide-brimmed hat or cap and take frequent pauses in the shade. Never look directly at the sun, especially while using binoculars or during a solar eclipse. 2. Exercise. Physical activity can reduce your risk for vision-impairing illnesses like high blood pressure and diabetes. Furthermore, it might help you feel your best. However, you may need to realize that regular exercise can help preserve your vision. If you find it challenging to find time for physical activity, consider incorporating it into other activities. Walk about while on the phone, perform push-ups and squats while performing household tasks. Whatever gets your heart rate up counts. You know that exercise is beneficial for toning or losing weight, as well as for staying healthy and feeling better. Aerobics and other cardiovascular exercises reduce intraocular pressure, which is the pressure in your eyes, thereby protecting the retinal ganglion cells. Cardiovascular exercise improves blood flow to the optic nerve and retina. Before we get into the rest of the list, subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. 3. Wear safety glasses. Many individuals undertake their everyday tasks without even considering the possibility of eye damage. Considering that 50% of all eye injuries occur at home, consider boosting your eye protection. Optometrists recommend that every family wear protective eyewear during potentially hazardous activities. These specialist glasses or goggles are built from impact-resistant polycarbonate that is highly durable and provides eye protection to prevent harm. Protective eyewear consists of safety glasses and goggles, safety shields, and eye guards that are carefully designed to offer the appropriate level of protection for the activity you are engaged in. Encourage your employees to do the same if they are compelled to wear protective eyewear as a condition of their employment. 4. Use caution while playing sports. If you play sports, you know that they may be quite enjoyable. In addition to ice hockey, racquetball, MMA, and lacrosse can cause eye injuries. Therefore, you must constantly observe the rules and use the proper safety equipment. Consider your favorite sport. Do you use any eye protection, such as goggles or a face mask? You may believe you do not need protective eyewear, yet eye injuries caused by sports are dangerous. The good news is that protective eyewear can prevent the majority of eye injuries. Given that the goal of boxing is to strike an opponent in the head, eye injuries are a natural consequence of the sport. However, ocular trauma is a prominent source of retinal tear. 5. Quit smoking. Smoking has been known to cause heart disease and lung cancer for a long time, but many people are unaware that it can also cause vision loss. It increases your risk of developing cataracts, visual nerve damage, and macular degeneration, among many other health issues. If you have attempted to break a habit in the past only to relapse, persist. The more times you attempt to stop, the greater your chances of success. Smoking is equally harmful to the eyes and the rest of the body. According to research, smokers with diabetes are at risk for developing diabetic retinopathy. Damage to the eye's blood vessels is the cause of diabetic retinopathy. It causes vision impairments and possibly blindness. The treatment options include medication, laser, and surgery. 6. Eat healthy. There are certain foods that are very beneficial for the eyes and provide the necessary nutrients and vitamins for eye health. You are on the right road if your diet includes orange peppers, kale, spinach, berries, and kiwis. Eating healthy meals helps avoid eye-threatening diseases, such as diabetes and hypertension, which can be prevented by a healthy diet. Add extra eye-healthy items to your diet in order to preserve your eyesight. Try spinach, kale, and collard greens, which are dark, leafy greens. In addition, purchase omega-3 rich fish such as halibut, salmon, and tuna. You have heard that carrots are beneficial for the eyes. 7. Visit your eye doctor. You may believe your vision is normal or that your eyes are healthy, but the only way to be certain is to visit an eye care specialist for a fully dilated eye exam. Regarding common vision disorders, some individuals are unaware that they can see better with glasses or contact lenses. Moreover, several common eye disorders, such as glaucoma, diabetic eye disease, and age-related macular degeneration, frequently lack warning symptoms. Only a dilated eye exam can detect these disorders in their earliest stages. During a complete dilated eye exam, your eye care professional administers drops into the eye. This procedure allows your eye doctor to inspect the back of your eyes for symptoms of disease or injury. Only your eye care professional can evaluate if your eyes are healthy and if you have optimal vision. 8. Prevent eye strain. Occasionally, we pose the greatest threat to our own sight. Eyes that are overworked are susceptible to both short-term and long-term eye and vision issues. To safeguard your eyesight and maintain healthy eyes, take frequent pauses while using a computer. Try to take a 15-minute break away from your computer every 2 hours, and relax your eyes by gazing around the room every 20 minutes. To read and write, use a computer, or watch television, your eyes require sufficient light. In low light or darkness, your eyes must work harder than normal, resulting in strain. When watching television, place yourself 8 to 10 feet away from the television screen. 9. Know your medical history. Some eye disorders are inherited, thus, it is essential to determine if anyone in your family has ever suffered from them. This can help you assess whether you are more likely to acquire an eye condition. Asking your parents is the easiest approach to learning about your family's eye health history. Determine if they or their parents have any sort of eye disease, if possible. It is equally crucial to recognize that many eye illnesses can occur even in the absence of a genetic predisposition. 10. Get adequate sleep. The average adult requires 7 or more hours of sleep per night in order to feel refreshed and revitalized. In addition to helping us feel physically refreshed, sufficient sleep also improves our mental acuity. If you have been struggling with a lack of sleep recently, it is likely that you have observed a pair of annoyed, tired, and red-looking eyes peering back at you in the mirror. There are numerous causes of sleep deprivation, such as cramming for a test or working overtime to meet a tight job deadline. A lack of sleep not only causes grogginess and irritability but also discomfort and vision issues in the eyes. Our eyes can tolerate the occasional all-nighter, but chronic sleep deprivation can have long-term negative effects on our vision. Your eyes are a vital component of your overall health. The majority of individuals rely on their eyes to observe and interpret the world around them. You should have your eyes examined as often as your doctor suggests or if you develop new visual difficulties. And just as it is essential to have a healthy body, you must also maintain good eyes. If you enjoyed and appreciated this video, check out this video titled, The 6 Diabetes Symptoms You Need to Know Before It's Too Late. Stay strong and healthy.